Hi there, thank you for joining me for this edition of the Calvin Chronicles. This video covers the beginning of the visit to my 10th country on my Southeast Asia trip to Vietnam. In the capital, Ho Chi Minh City, I take in the sights of the city streets. I explore some of the French architecture and landmarks. I saw a different viewpoint on the Vietnam War at a museum and learned some unexpected things along the way. And if you want to see how I react to trying some new foods that I was introduced to in Vietnam, then you want to make sure that you watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. This helps me, but it also helps you to be notified as soon as new videos are released. Let's explore Vietnam. Okay, it's about time to board the flight for country number 10 on this trip, heading to Vietnam. See you there. Say it one more time.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Co. C-O.
Hotel Co.
Yeah, Co. C-O.
All right, eventually I'll learn how to say that. Hotel Co.
Yeah.
So I'm doing my first little bit of walking around Ho Chi Minh City, and just like I said, just walking around, just kind of seeing what I can find. And today I wanted to kind of start out with the Notre Dame Cathedral and Central Post Office, which you can see the cathedral behind me, and we'll get to the post office here in just a little bit. This alley that has pretty much just all coffee shops and bookstores all through this alley. I'm going to walk down here in just a minute, but I just noticed this as I was walking around and thought I would just kind of grab some video for you guys. same thing?
So no, this is all bún chả.
Okay. That looks like bacon.
It's a kind of pork, yeah.
Okay.
If you don't, then I'll eat it. So put this in there now. Mix it in while your broth's still hot so you can cook it. Yeah, well.
So this is the kitchen right here?
Yeah.
That's cool.
These are chicken feet, man. So
That's not seafood.
they sell chicken feet here too.
That's not seafood.
Yeah.
So then you go get some fish.
He doesn't want to eat snail. He's scared of snail. So you like snail? You like sauteing it?
Take it out, or you get the...
Get it out. And
Alright, so Alvin has, he's convinced me that I'm about to eat a snail here, so here we go. Let's see here. It's not bad, actually. It's not bad. You get to live another day. I hope that you enjoyed the sights and history as much as I did. If you enjoyed the video, let me know, hit the thumbs up button. If you have questions, if you've been to Vietnam, if you saw some things that I didn't, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you taking time to follow me on my journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.